Sermon number 195. Fear of Allah, and details about the Day of Judgment. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Praise be to Allah who has displayed such effects of His authority and the glory of His sublimity through the wonders of His might that they dazzle the pupils of the eyes and prevent the minds from appreciating the reality of His attributes. I stand witness that there is no God but Allah by virtue of belief, certainty, sincerity and conviction. I also stand witness that Muhammad is His slave and His prophet whom He deputed when the signs of guidance were obliterated, and the ways of religion were desolate. So, He threw open the truth, gave advice to the people, guided them towards righteousness and ordered them to be moderate. May Allah bless him and his descendants. Know, O creatures of Allah, that He has not created you for naught and has not left you free. He knows the extent of His favors over you and the quantity of His bounty towards you. Therefore, ask Him for success and for the attainment of aims. Beg before Him, and seek His generosity. No curtain hides you from Him, nor is any door closed before you against Him. He is at every place, in every moment and every instance. He is with every man and jinn. Giving does not create any breach in Him. Gifting does not cause Him diminution. A beggar cannot exhaust Him, and paying, to others, cannot take Him to the end. One person cannot turn his attention from another, one voice does not detract him from another voice, and one grant of favor does not prevent him from refusing another favor. Anger does not prevent Him from mercy, mercy does not prevent Him from punishing, His concealment does not hide His manifestness and His manifestness does not prevent Him from concealment. He is near and at the same time distant. He is high and at the same time low. He is manifest and also concealed. He is concealed yet well known. He lends but is not lent anything. He has not created the things of creation after devising, nor did He take their assistance on account of fatigue. I advise you, O creatures of Allah, to have fear of Allah, for it is the reign and the mainstay of religion. Hold fast to its salient points, keep hold of its realities. It will take you to abodes of easiness, places of comfort, fortresses of safety and houses of honor on the day of judgment, when eyes will be wide open, when there will be darkness all round. When small groups of camels pregnant for 10 months will be allowed free grazing, and when the horn will be blown, then every living being will die. Every voice will become dumb, the high mountains and hard rocks will crumble to pieces, so that their hard stones will turn into moving sand and their bases will become level. On that day, there will be no interceder to intercede, and no relation to ward off trouble, and no excuse will be of avail.